Hey guys, it's Jared Cook. I'm here at the Perry Company today and we're talking about Can-Am power tip-out windshields. This summer we're going to have 4 different SKUs that come out, 2 of which are going to pair up a power tip-out upgrade kit with your factory glass or poly, and 2 of them are going to be our glass, our poly with the frame. You can see that I'm sitting on this one right now and we've got just tons of strength. And so let's take a closer look at one of the versions of our power tip-out options for Can-Am. All right guys, we're going to dig into the details here in just a minute, but I want to explain the design of what we've come up with for the Can-Am power tip-out. This is an OEM Can-Am fixed window, and you'll notice it already has its hinges on it, and so what we've done is we've gone ahead and designed a power tip-out upgrade. So this is a 12-volt system. You have 2 electric actuators along with bracketry, everything that you need to install this. Let's take a closer look at the inside of this design. All right guys, as you can see, I'm here in the cab of the Can-Am Defender, and as you look at the front of this, it should look exactly like a Can-Am Defender OEM fixed glass windshield. That's because it is. Now we do have this modular upgrade kit. I'm going to hit this button and we're going to go to a vented position right here. This is going to be great when you want some protection, but you also want some airflow, right? Now, as I push this button, I can stop wherever I want to. If I prefer it to be there, it can stay there. We encourage you to ride with it open in any position. It really is a pretty neat concept. Now, as I get this all the way open, we're going to go ahead and talk about our 12 gauge actuators. So we've got one on either side. I do have a model of this which I've sat on and stood on and all that. With the glass, I wouldn't suggest that. I also wouldn't suggest it at any other time, although it's feasible. But in this kit, not only are you going to get the actuators, but you're going to get the bracketry that makes this possible. It's all bolt-in. There is no manipulation of the roll bar. There is no drilling of the roll bar. That is something that I'll say day in and day out, stay away from products that force you to drill your roll bar. All right guys, so to sum up today, basically what we've designed is a cost-effective solution for a lot of you guys out there that already have the fixed OEM glass to be able to have that module upgrade for the power tip out. And so we hope that you enjoy that. If you have questions, give us a call here at the Perry Company. And if you'd like to buy this, look for it online at fortresspro.com. Thanks.